In this video, I want to show you an important part of managing your contact information, and that's the link to your actual website.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
When you have one website listed, it's going to actually show the website name. If you have multiple websites listed under websites, it's actually just going to say websites, which is very ambiguous and not as clear because people have to click on it to see what the websites are. And most people don't click. You hope they click, but they just kind of scroll past. But here, this brands you and this tells them what the website is immediately. So I recommend actually having one main website that's yours, that you want to promote or that you want to display or showcase. So that's my profile when I'm not logged in. That's how people see it. Now let me show you how this looks when you are logged in. When you're logged in, under this area here in contact info, what you would do is just edit it. And you see what I meant by having multiple websites is you can say add a website, and if you add another one, it's going to make your website area look more generic. I'll show you an example. See, if I say test.com and I save it, when I go and look at my public profile, look what's going to happen. You see, this is how it looks like when I only have one site. Now I'll refresh it because now I have two websites. See, it just says websites. And then a person has to click and only then they see what the websites are. And even then it's confusing, like which one should they go to. So really just have one website. So I'm going to remove that test website that I added. And I'm going to say save. And while you're here in this area, there's one more thing. There's this birthday field. Should you have your birthday listed? Well, it's professional, so you don't really need your birthday listed unless you want 1 million people to say happy birthday to you, which I don't think you need for the most part. So what I would do is I would click here, birthday visible to, and then you check only you, and then you save that. Because you don't need to have people know how old you are. You don't need any of that for professional contacts. So that's it. That's how you manage your website listing, so that if you want people to go to some website, then they know exactly where to go. There's no confusion. And if you're promoting something on your site, then especially because they know what the website is, and they'll be much more likely to click it if it actually says the domain name instead of just the word websites.